Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're going to do a level 1 problem for new SAT, which is a part of section 2 problem where no calculator is allowed, and each problem you have about 80 seconds to complete each question. So let's start. In this problem I have 3x plus 2 in parentheses and 5x plus 1 in one parenthesis, which is equal to ax squared plus bx plus 2, and we're told to find a minus b. So basically, first I need to find the value of a and the value of b before I compute a minus b. So let's start. So we have 3x plus 2 parentheses, I have 5x plus 1 equal ax squared plus bx plus 2. So in this problem, you do need to write both left hand and right hand side of your equations. And first, we're going to emphasize on this part. What we're going to do is to FOIL this part out with this. So let's start this method. So let's start with the first term in this parenthesis and multiply out this. So 3x times 5x is 15x squared, and then follow the same process, but this time multiply with the next term. So 3x times 1 is 3x, plus the sign for this is positive, so positive times positive is positive 3x. So this is, I'm doing this with the sign thing because sometimes it could be negative, so you have to do the sign multiplication out as well. So let's start with another number. The next one is 2. Multiply out with 5x. Both are positive, so it's positive. 5 times 2 is 10x. And then follows the next number, which is 2 times 1 is 2. And then on your other side, same thing. Just copy it down. And then in this equation, we're almost done. All we need to do is to simplify this part before we take this as a reference for this side to take the value for a and b. So in this side, let's look at this 15x squared. I'm trying to find if there are any other terms that has x squared on it. So in this problem we don't. So we're just gonna write 15x squared and then move on. Next I have 3x and 10x. They are like terms and they're both positive, so I'm going to add them. So that will give me 13x, and I'm done with that terms. And then there's a constant to it which is by itself, so just write it, copy it down as it is, and now I have an equation which is in a format of ax squared plus bx plus c, and this is also in a format of ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so when you compare this equation with this standard second degree equations, and also same on this side, you know a is 15 because x squared here, the coefficient here is 15, and then b similarly is 13. And c, we don't really need to know what c is, but since this is a practice test, let's do it. C is 2. So my problem stated what a minus b was. In this case, a is 15 and b is 13. So 15 minus 13 is 2, and then we have our answer. So our answer is 2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video to come.